The Suzuki Mehran has long been a staple in the compact car market, especially in South Asia, blending affordability with utility. Recently, the luxury variant of the Mehran has stirred excitement among car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. This video will delve into the features, specifications, performance, design elements, pricing, and expected release date of the Suzuki Mehran luxury vehicle. Starting with its design, the Suzuki Mehran luxury model carries the traditional charm of its predecessor while integrating modern aesthetics. The exterior showcases sleek lines, a bold grille, and updated headlamps. It strikes a balance between functionality and style, making it appealing for both urban commuters and families. The luxury trim boasts enhanced materials that contribute to an upscale feel, with chrome accents and refined finishing touches that elevate its overall appeal. Under the hood, the Suzuki Mehran luxury variant packs a punch with its efficient yet powerful engine. It is typically powered by a reliable 800cc engine, offering adequate horsepower for city driving and light highway cruising. The engine is designed to deliver optimal fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for daily commutes. Expect around 40 to 50 horsepower, which is suitable for everyday use, catering to both the needs of first-time drivers and seasoned users seeking a reliable vehicle. As for the performance aspects, the Mehran luxury model provides a smooth and comfortable ride. The suspension system has been overhauled to improve handling and ride quality. With a turning radius that allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces, it excels in urban environments. The chassis is designed to absorb bumps, ensuring a stable experience over rougher terrains. Although it may not compete with high-performance vehicles in speed, it offers a dependable driving experience perfect for its target audience. Inside, the Mehran luxury does not skimp on features. The cabin is spacious and ergonomically designed to maximize comfort, even on longer journeys. The luxury variant introduces premium upholstery, an upgraded infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, and improved sound insulation to keep the noise at bay. The inclusion of power windows and remote central locking adds convenience that many drivers appreciate. Safety is also a paramount consideration for Suzuki. While it may not be equipped with the extensive safety features found in luxury models from other manufacturers, it comes with basic essentials such as seatbelts, an efficient braking system, and a sturdy build designed to withstand impacts. Additional options for airbags are often available, enhancing passenger safety. In terms of pricing, the Suzuki Mehran luxury model is positioned competitively within its class, appealing to budget-conscious buyers looking for the best value. While the exact price may vary based on location and trim choices, it is generally expected to be priced between $10,000 and $12,000, making it an attractive option for its market. Now, about the anticipated release date, Suzuki has hinted at launching the Mehran luxury within this fiscal year. While dates can fluctuate based on production and market conditions, enthusiasts can expect availability by the end of the current calendar year, aligning with Suzuki's strategy to refresh its lineup regularly. In conclusion, the Suzuki Mehran luxury vehicle blends affordability, comfort, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for urban drivers and small families. With its stylish design, reliable performance, and decent safety features, it is poised to maintain the popularity of the Mehran name while appealing to a whole new audience. Whether you're a longtime fan or a first-time buyer, the Mehran luxury variant has something to offer everyone. Thank you for watching our review. Stay tuned for more insights into upcoming vehicles and automotive trends.